What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a nice, quick, simple video. The other week, I actually hit my 1 year on YouTube. So I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has watched all my videos and who has subscribed to me. I did not know how this was going to go when I first started, and it has gone surprisingly well. I have continued to put out videos every single week, which I was wondering if I was going to be able to, but I have not missed a week yet. So I was very happy with myself that I could continue making the videos for you guys. I've climbed up to almost 650 subscribers, so that means that there's a lot of you guys out there that do like what I'm putting out and want to continue watching. So obviously I'm going to continue making all these videos for you guys. At sometimes it feels like a struggle to put a video out each week with everything else I have going on, but I've really enjoyed everything that I've been doing to make these videos and coming up with new ideas and new things to talk about. Hopefully I'm making sense to a lot of you guys who want to learn how to sell on eBay, how to part cars out, how to sell car parts online, and what to look for, what are the best parts and all that stuff. You know, that's a big part of what this channel is supposed to be. So I'm hoping that you guys are listening and following along. I know that I'm not an expert. I don't know every single thing, but I have been doing this for a while. So I just wanted to share my journey with you guys and how I go about doing this every single month. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna keep making as many videos as I can. So if you guys aren't subscribed but have come across me a couple times, please subscribe. That way I know that you guys like this stuff and want to keep listening. If it's one thing that I gotta say that is really hard, it is thinking of each new video to do. Sometimes I think about doing videos just for beginners, so I'm not sure if I should do some more like that about how to really start from scratch on eBay in selling car parts, or showing you guys what kind of parts I'm selling, doing individual videos on parts. So if you guys have any good suggestions or things that you want to learn about parting out cars, taking cars apart, or anything like that, I would be open to all and any suggestions. That way I can have some great ideas that you guys want to watch that I can do videos for. So please leave me a comment if you do have anything like that, because I really want to make videos that you guys want to watch. That's pretty much the only big thing I can say, that it is hard to do. It is hard to come up with new ideas every single week, but I have made it a year, so that has been pretty good. So I'm happy with that. I appreciate everybody who gives me a like. I know that there's a couple people that always comment and always leave messages, so it's pretty cool to see you guys do that every week. For the future, I know there are some things that I need to get done around my house and in my personal life sooner than later, so hopefully that won't take away from doing eBay and YouTube as much. I am going to have to slow down eBay a little bit to get things more organized around here. I do have a video coming up about that, so look for that in the next week or two. I know I'm gonna have to slow down a little bit. I can't do eBay as much as I want with my full-time job and everything else I have going on. So I'm gonna have to slow down for a little bit, I think, to try to get some other stuff out of the way. But once I get that stuff out of the way, I will then have a lot more time to put into this business. I'm hoping one day in the future that I can make this business into a full-time business. That is my end goal if I can do it. I'm not sure. Any of you guys out there that are raising kids, I have 2 kids, one that is starting school and the other is still in daycare. So there are a lot of things I have to pay for and stuff that I have to worry about right now. But I'm hoping that I can set myself up so in the future I can do this full time and stay at home. I'm not sure when or if that will ever happen, but it is my goal. I'm not sure if I ever said that in a video before, but like I said, I'm really not sure if I can or not. I don't really know what else to say. Just thank you guys. I really appreciate it. It is true that when everybody says that starting a YouTube channel is a struggle and it takes a long time to even make money off of it, that is very true. I haven't made any money off of YouTube. Even if you see ads in the videos, I am not monetized yet. It has been a long journey, but it really is fun to do these videos. I really wish I could do more videos and have a lot more entertaining videos. I'm hoping that one day when I can set my garage up better and I have more time, I can make the videos that I have in my head. I have a lot of awesome ideas in my head about making videos, but I don't have the capabilities or the room or the time to do them right now. So hopefully in the future I will. If you guys do have any suggestions for videos, anything you want to learn about, anything you want to learn about my personal journey on eBay or getting into cars, selling car parts, just let me know. I love to make any videos that you guys want. So just let me know. If not, just give me a like if you guys like this video. And thank you guys for watching. And I will continue making the videos for you guys. So thank you very much.